Equivalent sets. Two finite sets A and B are said to be equivalent if they contain same number of elements. That is, if cardinal number of set A equal to cardinal number of set B, then A and B are said to be equivalent sets. Let us see one example. Set A equal to grape, apple, mosambi. Set B equal to cabbage, brinjal, onion. Here in this example, the elements in set A are fruits, but the elements in set B are vegetables. So in set A and set B, the elements are not same, but number of elements in both the sets are same. That is, the cardinal number of set A is equal to the cardinal number of set B. Therefore, they are equivalent sets. Equal sets and unequal sets. Two sets are said to be equal if they contain exactly the same elements. Otherwise, they are unequal sets. Let us see an example. Set A equal to grape, apple, mosambi. Set B equal to apple, mosambi, grape. Here in both the sets, we have exactly same elements and number of elements are also same. So it is equal sets. Let us see an example for unequal sets. Set A has three different types of vegetables: cabbage, brinjal and onion. Set B has four different types of fruits: grape, apple, mosambi and pineapple. In both the sets, the elements are not same and their cardinal number is also not same. So they are unequal sets. Now let us do some exercise problems based on these concepts.
Exercise 1.2, question number 3. Which of the following sets are equivalent or unequal or equal sets? Here, for the given two sets, we list the elements in roster form and then compare the elements of both the sets as well as the cardinality of both the sets. Then we find whether it is an equivalent set, unequal set or equal sets. First subdivision, set A equal to the set of vowels in the English alphabet. Now we list the set A, the vowels in the English alphabet. So we know the vowels A, E, I, O, U. The number of distinct elements in set A is 5. Therefore, the cardinal number of set A is 5. Set B, the set of all letters in the word vowel. Now list the letters in the word vowel. Set B equal to V, O, W, E, L. So the number of distinct elements in set B is 5. So the cardinality of set B is also 5. Now we compare both the elements of set A and B and the cardinality of set A and B. Both the elements are not same, but their cardinality is same. Therefore, they are equivalent sets. Second subdivision, set C equal to 2, 3, 4, 5. Set D equal to x such that x is an element of whole numbers and x is greater than 1 and lesser than 5. Now we list the set D first. Set D equal to x is greater than 1 and lesser than 5. So we write 2, 3 and 4. The number of elements in set D is 3. Therefore, the cardinality of set D is 3. The set C is already listed 2, 3, 4, 5. The number of distinct elements in set C is 4. So, the cardinality of set C is 4. Here, set D has one element lesser than set C. Therefore, cardinality of set C is not equal to cardinality of set D. Therefore, they are unequal sets. Third subdivision, set E equal to X such that X is a letter in the word life, and set F equal to F-I-L-E. First, we list set E. We list the letters in the word life. So we get L-I-F-E. The number of distinct elements in set E is 4. Therefore, the cardinality of set E is 4. Set F is already listed. F-I-L-E. The number of distinct elements in set F is 4. Their cardinality is also 4. Now we compare both the sets set E and set F. Here both the elements of set E and set F are same, as well as their cardinality are also same. Therefore they are equal sets.